Hi viewers, how are you? Today you are watching a new idea of the video. You are watching the resin coasters, uh, different designs and beautiful colors, flowers, preservation with resin in wood, different woods pieces and different uh, make tray with flower present preservation and different uh, items of home usage. You are watching gift pack. You are watching how to preserve flowers and leaves on the wood piece. You are watching the flower preservation coasters with resin, different flowers and leaves preserve in different shapes. You are watching C alphabet. You are watching the book holder. You are watching alphabet love making with the resin and preserve flowers. You are watching different frames preservation flowers. You are watching flower preservation with resin coasters. You are watching different uh, flowers and leaves and different grass. You are watching a wedding gift. You can uh, gift anything, any person. You are watching any frame. You are watching the tray and plates making with the resin. You are watching a bottle full of the beads and roses. You are watching the uh, how to create the resin based flower preserve. You are watching the old bulb uh, full of flowers and preservation. You are watching posters. You are watching the large alphabet love. You are watching a chair preserve with flowers and resin. You are watching dried flowers in books. You are watching a tray uh, decorate with the preserved flowers. You are watching a keychain make with the resin and preserved flowers. You are watching a frame uh, make with the preserved flowers and resin. You are watching a tray set. Now you are watching uh, home